LibreOffice is a free and open-source office suite, and LibreOffice Draw can be used as an alternative to Adobe Acrobat for hyperlinking text in a PDF document. You can download LibreOffice, which includes Draw, from the official LibreOffice website, libreoffice.org. Here are instructions for hyperlinking text inside a PDF document. Open your PDF in LibreOffice Draw. I want to hyperlink the different sections of my table of contents. For example, let's hyperlink exhibit list. Select the text you want to hyperlink. Go to Insert, then click Hyperlink. In the Hyperlink dialog box, choose the type of hyperlink you want to create, such as a web page, another document, or an email address. So I will select Document, then the target in Document. We will expand Slide, which shows us all the page numbers of the document. Based on the table of contents, we see that we will need to link it to page 15 of this document. And pick the corresponding page, which is 15, then hit Apply. Then hit Apply on the hyperlink window, then press OK to close it. We can confirm that a hyperlink was created by hovering over the exhibit list word we had selected, which shows us page 15. Once you're done with all the hyperlinks, make sure to go to File and Export as PDF to save the changes. And now if I open the PDF in any PDF reader, I will use a browser. For example here. If I click on Exhibit List, it takes us to the Exhibit List page at page 15 of the document.